Welcome back. We're going to learn how to fold a simple sailboat today. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. The simple sailboat is one of those classical origami pieces that everyone learns at a really young age. So this video is going to be more of a review than a tutorial. If you haven't seen it before, you're in luck. Today you're going to learn something new. If you have, then still enjoy the clip. For me, I learned it in kindergarten, I believe. The steps for this piece is really simple, so it's easy to teach kids. So with that said, please enjoy the clip. We just have to reinforce the bottom and the simple sailboat is complete. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes. Click right for more awesome origami like this.